Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige Ambitex interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, a power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a natural grain gray oak wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, the LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our new touchpad steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with the multimedia system, which comes with MBUX, which is new to Mercedes-Benz. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Change ambient light to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
So as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands and it will do so. This also does come with speed limit assist, navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. Push start ignition, a surround view backup camera. Also new to our display is touchscreen. You're able to use it and navigate it through touch and voice commands, so that's something new. We've got dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, a wireless charging, USB port, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving settings. This GLC has very low mileage. It has 1,929 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmannimports.com.